All right, hi, my name's Jason. I'm one of the owners here at Coastline Recovery. We brought out a couple SUPSquatches today. I was pretty excited about it. So luckily we went out with a few guys that have already done it before, so we were able to let the other people who weren't that experienced how to do it. And we were able to paddle in unison, get over the whitewash, and even catch a couple waves. It was a good time. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, it's really like team focus, you know? Like if everyone's not paddling together, you go left, you go right, you can get toppled over by the whitewash. When you're trying to catch waves, everyone needs to be in unison so we can actually get on the waves so we don't pile over the side. There's encouragement that's involved. Like sometimes when you take a dive, everyone's scattered in the water and you want to make sure everyone's okay. Yeah, there's a lot that goes into it.